All right, we're going to remove the drum collar. Make sure you've got the machine unplugged before you start. There's 5 screws that you have to pull off, 2 on each side and 1 in this little housing down here.
Okay, so let's go ahead and do it. I'm gonna get this one off. Get this one. Okay, so far so good. This one. And then we gotta get this one. Right here. Righty tighty, lefty loosey, as usual. Okay, those are those. All right, so you've got 4 of these. All right, so I believe we got this screw removed, this one, and this one. Those are good. I don't think we removed this because this is part of this wall here. So I think we leave that on, and we leave this one on. But I do believe we're gonna have to unscrew this one, and then we can pull this here and this off of here. You can see it's already loose, but it's connected here. So let's go ahead and get this one off. All right, I don't want to lose this screw again, so I'm going to hold on to it with my finger, and now we've got it.
On the other side of this drum collar are 2 wheels that catch right on the lip of the drum. And so if I move the drum, you'll see it kind of rolls, right? So when we pull up on that collar, it's going to put pressure on that lip. So we've got to get those wheels off of that lip to get the collar off. All right, next you have to detach the moisture sensor to the collar.
I think I just squeeze this and it just comes apart. All right, you just got to remember which way it goes. I pulled it this way and there's a little squeezer here that kind of releases it. You see that? See how I squeeze it and it releases? That's basically it. Now this whole thing should just come off. So let's see if it will. I took 5 screws off of this. That's it. But it should come off. Let's see. For some reason it doesn't want to come off. I mean, this side is off. That seems to be coming. There we go. I think it's just stuck on there. There's like a thing in there. Oh, there we go. Now it should come off. Oh, let's see, it's got a little connector. Oh, yeah, that's it. All right, so, okay, I get it. All right, you guys are gonna enjoy this. All right, so if you look, there's a little thing, so you gotta pull up to pull it out of this. You see how that got tight there? So this one here, it got kind of stuck in there. So there's a screw and then there's this little tab. So when you put it in, it slides in there and then drops down in to set it. So you got to pull up pretty good. If you look on here, you're going to see these little tabs. And these tabs are on the top on this side. You see that? So they slide in. And the tabs on the other side, if you look, are on the bottom. And they slide in. All right, so you can see the difference. See how it's bottom, screw top. Here it's top, then screw bottom. So just remember that, okay? So now we've got this off of there.
So what makes it hard to pull off is these 2 wheels because they're on the other side of that lip of the drum. And also this goes into the body of that blower fan.
And that's the, I guess, the drum holder. I need to pull these stupid balls out of here. Put them over here for now. She uses those things for, you know, whatever. Right, so now we got to get the drum out.
All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos.